vlogging, and we are at a pizza place, and there's like squishies, like a banana, a donut, a pineapple, an apple, and donut. Oh my gosh, it's like life over here. $20. So yeah, I'm gonna go squishy hunting. First I'm gonna eat, then I'm gonna go squishy hunting. So yeah, bye. So guys, we're gonna try the vending machine with the $1. Go. Smurf, Mickey Mouse, all that. He's gonna try to go for that.
I think I'm gonna go for that.
What?
Cocoa.
The what?
The cocoa.
The zoo?
The cocoa thingy bob.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna fail. But okay, he's gonna try to go for the cocoa. Do it, I guess.
Put the dollar in.
Do it. You're gonna fail, Carter. Don't. Please don't. Yeah. Get a squishy for me.
I'm not giving you squishy. You owe me though.
If you give me a squishy, I'll buy you something.
Wait, I don't think. I never did nothing. I never did nothing.
So now we're going squishy hunting. Yay! So guys, sorry about the background noise. It's like thundering. We're in a Walmart, so glue, and that's really cool. And then this, so I might get some clear glue. I already got a gallon of white glue, and I already got glue in the dark glue, and I also got glitter glue. So yep. So I'm good. I have no more clear glue. We're just looking. So yeah, I'm looking by myself. But yeah. Here's gallon glues and only white. I really want this, but I already got Melon Magic. So yeah. So I found gallon of clear glues. But it's $20, and also the yellow tints to it. So yeah. So guys, I found some. So the Soft and Slow, Smushy Mushy, and then the little ice creams. Ooh, these are like the little pets, but they're really small. There's a planet. I don't want to get a dense one. That one's kind of dense. There's that much. Yeah. Oh, these are like the mochi things. I really want one of these, but they're kind of $10. I already have that. And I have glitter and clear glue, so yeah. So guys, I'm not getting the glitter, and I'm getting the plant squishy, and I'm also getting like a little cake cuties. I'm gonna open it up in the car. Wait, is that it? So yeah, it's a mystery. I'll open it. So, and I got this. And then I really want one of these, but I'm not allowed to get it. These, but they're really expensive. And guys, where's the one that's already opened?
Put everything else back.
No, not doing that. So there, guys, someone already opened that. Yeah, I'm not allowed to show my face.
Oh, there's another one down in there though. Oh, that's a ball.
And I feel like I already have the little blind back to it because I think it's like a blueberry. No, it's not. You can see it. What is that? A taco? A dumpling?
Here, put that back in here.
So I really want this, but I can't.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
ready to go.
There you go. Put it back.
That's cool.
So guys, I found some putty. Those are really cool. So yeah. So guys, there's putty and squishies. So I already have this one, and it's so soft. There's a peach. And there's an ice cream. That one's dense. Here's some blind bags. I also have this one. So guys, I'm gonna be getting 2 squishies. I'm getting this and this. So I'm getting 2, 4, 6 squishies. So yeah, I'm not getting the Planet because it's the same price. And my brother's getting stupid Pokemon cards. Yeah, and I'm not gonna get this. But yeah. But I'm doing a different video on opening these and how soft they are, so yeah. Guys, I got these 2 squishies, and then I got this one, and I got 4 squishies. Instead of getting the smushy mushies, those are like $10. And I got a big Musketeers, and then King Kit Kat. So that's today's video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye guys!